So my name is Srikanth from NXP. As was introduced, like I'm one of the product managers, part of the NXP Secure Edge Processing Business Unit. So we have like exciting products coming up. One of them is this i.MX 93. So this talk I'm gonna cover application processes from NXP, and then show what our latest generation of application process family roadmap is going to look like, and then go into details of our first product, which is our i.MX 93, the first product in the 9 family. I'm going to show some architecture details, and then talk about the different features that make this product very suitable for entry-level vision applications, and also show like some of the target applications that we have in mind for this product. And then I'm going to cover the features that are going to be used for machine vision, and also show some a video at the end showing our demo using this i.MX 93. So at NXP, we have a complete solution from all the way to a low-end MCU, scaling up to multi-core microprocessing units. So you can see on the left, we have products that covers all the way to a small single-core MCU with just the SRAM memory. And then in between, we have something called our RT device, which is our a gateway between the MCUs and the MPUs. So basically, it has multiple MCUs on chip, and it also has sometimes it also has the flash memory. And then all the way at the end of the spectrum, we have much more capable microprocessors. We call that the i.MX application processors, and that is what this talk is going to be about. And then you can see the amount of features, the amount of processing, the amount of processing units that we pack basically increases as we go from left to right.